This video is about how to calculate two-way ANOVA for this data set. Here we have two different parameters, water level and groups. We have 4 rows for each, and we have calculated these two parameters for 3 days. We have the data for day 1, day 2 and day 3, and we have to calculate the two-way ANOVA for this. For that, we need to go to this data tab, and then we need to click on this data analysis. In case you do not have this data analysis option available, then you need to go to file. In more, you will find options, and you need to select this adds in, and then this analysis tool. Select this and press on go button, and here you need to make sure that these two have been selected, and then press the OK button. Right, I have already selected, so I am crossing it. Select this data analysis option, and here you can see we have multiple options available for data analysis. Here we need to select this two factors with replications, so select this option and then press OK button. A new window will appear, and here you need to select the input range. You need to select all of this range, all of this area, right? And then here you need to specify the rows per sample. We have two samples and 4 rows for each, so we have 4 rows for water level and 4 rows for group, so we have to specify here 4. And this is output. If you select this first option, the output or ANOVA analysis will appear on the same this worksheet. If you will select this one, then the ANOVA analysis will appear on different sheet. So I will select the second option and press OK button, and here you can see this ANOVA analysis has been appeared on different separate sheet. This is the analysis. We have selected the two factors with replication. This right here is the summary. Now we have the summary available for both of the parameters, the water level, right, day 1, day 2, day 3, and count, sum, average and variance. Similarly, we have summary available for the second parameter, and this right here is the ANOVA chart for the two factors. So if you find this video helpful, then please hit the like button and subscribe to my channel. Thanks for watching.